3, 2, 1. Cameras rolling. Hello, my wonderful peoples out there. How are you today? This is another windy edition. See? Windy edition of the JABComedy. John, how are you today?
I'm doing good.
Oh, that's wonderful. Wonderful, John. Okay, so I guess since it's all windy today, our episode name is gonna be windy. But you wanna show the people your kite you made? Oops. Okay. So oh, the wind is picking up, John. The wind is picking up. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can get ahead. And let's. Woo! Oh! Awesome! Oh, there he is! Bravo! Oh, it's getting windy again. You want to try it again this way? Dun 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 dun. You going to do it again, John? Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. John Mark, run. Guys! Oh, that's awesome, John! Oh, my goodness! I am just blown away by that! Get it? Blown away? So, you want to do that again, John? Third time's the charm. Okay. Are you ready? It's so windy. The hair is getting in my mouth. It's windy today.
I'm ready.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. John Mark rolling. I love it when he comes right up to the camera. That was awesome. See what you can do with the cardboard contraption? Well, you got anything else?
No.
Well,